Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to use MeldEagle to quickly and easily carry out brand setups for the different brands offered within your supplier's data feed. Each brand configuration is a straightforward one-time setup that enables automated product syncing to your Shopify store. From the homepage, click Configure Integrations. Then select Create New Brand Configuration. This is where we define how you want products from a specific brand to appear in your Shopify store. Each brand you want to sell from your vendor's feed will need its own configuration so that your Shopify store knows how to display and categorize them. Once that's set up, any matching products from your supplier will be automatically styled, enriched and published to your store according to your preferences. So we'll begin with the base properties. These are the foundational settings that control how a brand is recognized and displayed. First, enter the data source. In this example, our vendor is TitanStar. Note that the vendor data feed is already configured earlier in the process. In the source brand name box, we'll enter the particular brand that you want to set up exactly as it appears in the vendor database. In this case, we have TitanStar Pro. In the preferred brand name for customers, enter how you'd like the brand to appear in Shopify. This is what your customers will see on the storefront. Now let's take a look at the pricing options. We have two options, price multiple and compare at price multiple. So say that you have a vendor RRP of £100, but you want to sell it for £90 and show your customer that saving. In price multiple, you enter 0.90 and your compare at price will be 1.0. So this means that your selling price in Shopify will be £90 and your customers will see £100 crossed out and their subsequent savings will be clearly displayed. Next up, you can add the authorized dealer image either by file upload or by entering an image URL. I'm going to upload a file and I'm going to select it, click open and then upload. And there you can see I've uploaded the TitanStar authorized dealer image. Next, we'll select our stocked at location. In this case, it's shop location. This will be whatever your stocked at location is in Shopify. Now let's move on to extended properties. And let's look at alternative brand name spellings. This setting allows the system to find different spellings of a product within the product description, which is required for certain manufacturer part number insertions. So let's add a new spelling and save changes. Now let's look at the manufacturer's part number insertion rule. Here is where you need to add the manufacturer's part number insertion rule, which controls how it's inserted into the product description. So you have some different options here. Insert after the brand and insert brand if not present, insert brand otherwise at end, or insert at end. In this case, we'll click insert at end. In brand tags, we can control which brand tags are added to every product of this brand. So TitanStar Pro is an own label brand from the vendor and it's their Pro brand, so we could add own brand Pro. And we could also add exercise equipment. So we've added our alternate brand name spellings, our manufacturer part numbers insertion rule, and our brand tags. Now let's add the publication channel. So in this case, I only have an online store, so I will select online store and save changes. Finally, let's look at the category mappings. So in this setting, we can control 1, how the products are mapped to Shopify categories in the standard taxonomy, and 2, which tags are added to all products in that category. So first we're going to select our Shopify category. I'm going to search for my category, so I'm looking for exercise equipment. And here we've got fitness and gym exercise equipment, so we'll select that. And then we can add our source category, which in this case will be exercise. And you can add multiple category mappings here. In this case, we'll just add 1, save changes, and then go back. And once you've saved your brand configuration, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward, your products will be automatically processed and published to the Shopify store. And then here's what happens. MeldEagle pulls in the latest product data as soon as it's available from the vendor. For example, Oxford stock counts are updated every 30 minutes and they're product filed daily, but we can work with whatever update frequency the vendor provides, including live updates if it's supported. MeldEagle then enriches the vendor data with all of the configurations that you've set up, your pricing, preferred brand name spelling, product categories, tags and more. Enriches just means that we're enhancing the raw vendor data feed with your custom settings, which saves you hours of manual admin. Finally, your products are published to Shopify automatically through our integration service. You don't need to do anything manually. Changes from the vendor are applied and pushed through without any extra work. Your own config updates are also handled automatically, either overnight or instantly if you choose to press the Process Products button. And you can actually watch this all happen in real time through our integration dashboard, which I'm showing briefly here, and I'll cover in another one of our MeldEagle how-to videos. We're offering MeldEagle completely free for 1 month for new users to try before they buy. If you're interested in finding out more, please email us at hello@redeagle.tech or click the button on our website to book a free demo.